So what can you buy for $400,000 in Plano, Texas? Well, about 6 months ago, very little. But with prices actually moderating, there's some great buys that are out there. So if you're a first-time home buyer or you're looking to get into this very highly sought-after area of Plano, very close to the Allen border, in fact, it's just one street over, this is a great location. This house is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, and it has just over 2,000 square feet, listed for $410. Just put it on the market here recently. But let me give you a quick tour and see what you think. What a nice home. It's been beautifully maintained. It's move-in ready. If you're looking for something like this in the Plano and Allen area and want to stay in the $400,000 price range, give me a call today. Happy to help you find your beautiful home.